students. Today we will study chapter 1, crop production and management. In this chapter we will see agriculture. इस चैप्टर में हम लोग को एग्रीकल्चर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. दिस टर्म एग्रीकल्चर is made of two words, agar और cultura. दो वर्ड से मिलके बना है. Agar means field and cultura means cultivation. ठीक है. So the practice of growing crops या practice of growing plants on large scale is known as agriculture. ठीक है. And agriculture is classified as agronomy, horticulture and animal husbandry. Now agronomy deals with the techniques for improving agricultural practices. Here a farmer has to perform different tasks like labeling the soil, sowing of seed, that we will study later in this chapter. So the branch of science that deals with the techniques for improving agricultural practices is known as agronomy. Cultivation of fruits and vegetables on large scale is known as horticulture, and rearing of domesticated animals is known as animal husbandry. If the plants are of same kind are grown on large scale, then those are called crops. Crops are of two types, kharif crop and rabi crop. The crops which are sown in rainy season are known as kharif crop. Example of kharif crops are paddy, maize, soyabean. Okay, and rabi crop. Example of rabi crop: wheat, gram, pea. Okay. Now a farmer has to perform different tasks for cultivation of crops. There are some tasks performed by farmers. A farmer has to perform the following tasks, or we say as basic agriculture practices. Number one is preparation of soil. Okay? In this preparation of soil, second is sowing of seed. Third is adding manures and fertilizers. Next, protection from weeds. Next is harvesting and last is storage. So these are the basic agricultural practices that a farmer has to perform for cultivation of crops. Okay. First one is preparation of soil. Next is sowing of seed. Next, adding manures and fertilizers. Protection from weeds, to protect from weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants. Okay, and in order to destroy weeds, we use weedicides. Weedicides. Next is harvesting and then storage. Okay, so we are discussing basic agricultural practices. Now this preparation of soil can be done in two ways: plowing and leveling. So first task before cultivation is preparation of soil. A farmer has to prepare the soil. So in order to prepare soil, farmers make use of plow and leveler. Okay, so there are two ways of preparation of soil: plowing, in which farmer make use of plow, and leveling. They level the soil by a leveler. Okay. Next step is sowing of seed. This can be done by manually, that is, a scattering of seed by hand is known as broadcasting, or by drill machine, that is known as drill sowing. And next is transplantation. Okay. So sowing of seeds is done in three ways: broadcasting, drill sowing, and transplantation. Okay. Next is adding manures and fertilizers. We know manures improves the texture of soil. Manures improves texture of soil, and fertilizers enhances the productivity of crops. Manures are organic matters, whereas fertilizers are inorganic matter.